American Premier League, it's not been an easy ride. You know, we've fought a lot of battles to be here, but it's all about the determination. It's all about the resilience. It's all about not giving up. So my message to all these players over here and to all the players, the aspiring cricketers who we have given the opportunity to showcase their talent on a global level, playing alongside superstar cricket stars, never give up. It is in your darkest moment, when you're down, when your chips are down, when victory is impossible, that is where a champion is born. Be it on the field of cricket or be in the field of business, never give up on your dreams, because if I would have given up on the dream of American Premier League 2 years ago, we would not be seeing this moment today. Piercing through corruption, power struggle, you name it, but we at American Premier League steered through all of this, and today we are here, we stand tall. American Premier League is here to stay. It's a message to all the stakeholders in the United States of America. American Premier League is not going nowhere. American Premier League is here to stay. You like it or not, we are here to stay, and we will make sure, we will not cower, we will not back down, we will make sure that American Premier League is the best league the world has ever seen.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.